We're trying to find the volume of the truncated pyramid with a square base, and what we really need to do is find the volume of that little square pyramid that got chopped off the top. We need to find its height, and then the height of that impacts the height of the entire pyramid, and that one we're going to call x plus 14. So we're going to say x for the little one that we cut off. If we knew the height of that, we could use that to help us find the height of the whole thing. So we can't find the volume of either of those because we don't have the height of either of them. So that's what we got to focus on first. So we'll begin by setting up that ratio. We do know the widths, right? Sort of the 3/10. And that will be set equal to x over x plus 14. And then with some cross products, super useful, right? Cross products, you end up with 3 times the quantity x plus 14 equal to 10x. And when you solve that, we now know that x is equal to 6. So I'm going to update over here a little bit. That's 6. And I'm going to update on this. So I knew that I had 14 before, and I'm going to use that 14, I'm going to add the 6, and so now I actually know the height of the entire thing, and I know that it's 20. Right, so I knew that I had that 14 from here to here, and I've added the 6 that I just found. So with this information, I can find the volume of the bits of the pyramid. So first, I'm going to find the volume of this small pyramid that got hacked off. So for that, I have 1/3, and the base is 6 times 6, that's 36. And then we're going to multiply it by the height of the pyramid, which is 6. So we have 216 over 3. Now the large pyramid, again, we're imagining all of this because of course we don't actually see it because things were chopped off. But for the large pyramid, we have 20 times 20, so that's going to give me the 400. We have a height of 20, we just figured that out here, right? We're going to multiply all of those together and we have 8,000 over 3. So now I have the volume of the two pyramids, neither of which actually shows up in the picture except I drew them. And we're going to figure out the volume by subtracting. So we'll take the volume of the large pyramid the way it was before we chopped off the bits. Then we're going to take the volume of the small pyramid, which we figured out, that's the part that was cut off, and we're going to subtract them. When we subtract them, we're left with the volume of the truncated. That's this whole bottom bit down here. That's what we're actually trying to find. Of course, we also need to keep in mind that we need units. So now we have 7,784 thirds. We don't have units, so we're just going to say units cubed, and I know it's going to be cubed because we're measuring the volume. And so this is the volume of the truncated pyramid, the part that's left after we've cut off the top.